buy my luxury cars, physical cash, and brand new.
Abusunya say yeba eye Shatawale ni Lamborghini a ende ehun aba asem a enam so ema eye FBI for ene eye Yoko for akwakopiem ewo ni fie endra no ende Twene Jonas edi nsem bi edi aba betudwa a ono nso aba bedi nkomo ewo ho after say endra Shatta ebedi nkomo ewieye ekeka ne nsem ewieye no ende Twene Jonas aba be boss parliament ewo ho na eha eye Western Blog Media message so oba so ani demo na wa subscribe to your channel no send any update bia nso e drop ya won so be first person a obenya bi atie na wa sha ma wonu abe nso anya bi atie enti abusuya ye ba endro de esiye ewo eye Shatawale ne camp a ne Lamborghini a wode bo ne ho sanane a oje edi gidin ewo media yi so no FBI for HD mu a car no eye storing car enti omo ba be fa ne car na ko ema no ema Shatta ebe boss parliament ewo ho efa eye Yokofo ana omo nso eka ho bi na no enende Twene Jonas HD mu a se Ghana mpanifo ebe ye saa ade we ya ewo se omo hu nipa kro omo ne ye den omo ne ni edili because Shatta eye popular figure a che se Ghana obia etie ni nyom obia efili no enti se mo ya ade we etia na che se mo de eye John Dramani Mahama one na aban eko opposition because Ghana impanifo ni bebre ekura car eye stolen car enye Shatta nkwa na atoda stolen car a che se mu gu na nimu ase nende utumi hu se Twene Jonas support eye Shatawale a che se ensam a Twene Jonas kan utumi hu se in favor Shatawale na mensa obre no yentie die eye Twene Jonas ode etudwa efa eye Shatta ne stolen car amanfo dragere na omobo ne parliament no yentie e wode
Yo I am machiona me se me kope coffee bia no masa. Guess what? I'm roaming in the biggest city in my BMW, my luxury. I buy my luxury cars cash every 1 minute to be out my boss and I'm Michelle Bruni. I buy my luxury cars physical cash and brand new. Wale, mama, because you coffee, you have catch us every 1 minute to be out my boss and the system is well. Tell me if it is not your friend who go to and you say be I'm intimate and go away with the luxury cars. I can do so many videos without the luxury cars. But and a big bath. The weather has been so much hot. It's been like 100 Fahrenheit, 120 Fahrenheit, It's so much hot to the extent that I don't want my skin to bend, my luxury quality skin to bend. So I gotta chill. Cars in the buffet. Na me tena na me na mawiem na wie hye me na me bewu agya no. Daddy Lumba na ekono. The cars they see ankofu kwase bi na ebetwi ne kwa. So I gotta enjoy my luxury BMW. But guess what? Me na FBI for na ni mo musuro me. Omo afiafie omo mi a na omo twa me salute. Because I work hard for my money. I work so much hard for my money. I work hard and I make millions of dollars. Okay, friend, go to I see you. I love you so much. You're a subscriber. Say what's up this morning. This morning, the home in see Shatawale. It need Lamborghini yellow no. A stolen car and your mother fako. The home man Lamborghini no. Me am photo. Me na me inspire Shatawale. Me am photo. Nana Kwame was good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing so much better, man. Okay, friend, go to I see the luxury gas, the luxury cars. Your hobby, yes, of course, yeah, bro, okay, friend, go to the tia. Luxury car, I don't know hobby. There was a time whereby Nani Penyesika Emfa Drotro near far from hours upon hours just to go to school. Until we have suffered a lot. Until when I made the money, I decided to buy myself high performance cars, quality cars, just to make my soul enjoy something on earth. Cause whatever, look at Bantama to Kwadas one and Amiko Skunami Nantiano Pebia Kufo. Shout out to President Kufo, the greatest of all time, or the Kufo bus by Intina sometimes may be free. I mean, we have suffered a lot. Intina entina emi ya se abrante Thomas Pate bedu abruchiri medical catcher was a massam nya depa no abobo anya sika wo de beye massam na afi no ye de wakọ court ni abaji usika ni nyina ne sisi ano ema na bi twa to Pate so say wa ma repu no wa repu omo ema 5 wontie si an sika obobo nya nyina wo de tua lawyers obetua be wie no ye den a ebedi agency abroche no aba case ni nyina ebedi amama no Steven ya menso se mahama didn't increase cocoa price me ba be fire no de mate akuafo no bu afu pa me ba be fire no akuya friend go to say they have to do checks on those cars before importing them. The thing is the atian say Shatawale no ono nye kronfo no aya boys bi na ya kronfo no mawia cars no ena omo de abegu Ghana ho no omo ton ma Shatawale mu fofofo ohun ya meche no anti boys na mawia cars no won anti na ma Trump broni mpa bibini asem amodwene ho ana broni ye racist dabi eye bibini ya kronfo tieli ameche ni o why na pe kronfo asem obi am pe kronfo asem bibini ye criminal won anti di omo ye ni say boys no omo ba brochi no won na omo nuanu mo Ghana na hihye ho na omu wiam kofo credit card so me no ade we na minimo kama chada bo Abraham be Moshe pa no se omra meda adam kofo so be deport me no abema na nkofo be ka chem say boys no me frem say ye filu ye sa fili chada but o ye the almighty nti say wa bo pa de a ye di secret be kirewo se sa cars a otimni nyina ye ne wi akoma no e stolen cars so ena omo chechem 30 some di wi akoma chada ne escafo Kwame despite museum ne sam des chese escafo akesefo no omo to pressure ma youth na pressure youth na obi tweet na o se makoton banchempesie na mato Rolls Royce obi to makoton bidie na makoto ai Lamborghini obi to makoton Toyota na makoto ai friends J-Wagon ni nyina am ton J-Wagon ma mo ai 50 million 100 million the cost require 1 billion because it's stolen cars. Obviously Brony is not well friend go to say Brony is not racist but there be na nipa no tin krom na wo be wia ne car na ni sika da na account sum no be wia ne credit card no be wia nti sa no onye kromfo no wana empe wasem on problem no memeti ai bibini mintime fa no ko fiedie ntia because me sika ni me no kwa ohun se sa de we nyina Jonas kwase panyina na anu ya na oba America na ni fie nie na ka se gum no hu we nyina na ni baba be breme ade be chi no mo de or wakọ han akromfo no ma be robo me so enu nti na bibini yansesa yesuban a ye be bre ye nya nipa mane no ye kan se ofiri akoma mu do ye so enti onto si ye besua nyansa no ye nko ye nim owi ase da enti Shatawale no mesra mo NDC fo loko fo ma ban na wo so jomama mo de Jimmy say nurse a free hospital ayi doctors a free hospital de o ma kogu strike ama dada ke de ewu dade a chi dudu dade luman so awu mesra mo Shatawale ni ye legend o ye the youth legend enti mesra mo when can you kwasem de ba social media ebegu na ni mase because Ghana no aduma bia ni wa mu bia ma youth no mano mu ba e mu diskani na atoto cars ni e hyewofuo na mutoto fie mo mu mi aduma mo nti boy no Shatawale no wa employ so many people out you ka nti di obeya odi be didi nkakra no nti se mu hu se mu nim se onyenya on ne ko wi aya eni kwasem de ne ba bonten mo de ba news esen kam ya underground investigation mo ma de ne professional won na fe no because mo body so obi na wi akoton ma wale ana obi na wi ade abesi wale fia ese mu se nipa no onka ho onya on ko wi ai enti di okori ya no na mu makwache no na fe no wale no maja no mana ya ne akoso aye ne nwom no because esi an mo ade ya o wi ase ne se wayeye no abedane hiani ayi ache bibia obetima no madurawu ba wote o memete Ghana na me ne kapre na me ne 10,000 Ghana cedis on my account me found me da me kotena da me ho moto da me mani je me feel but ene na me da ni millionaire no se me sika short to be $1 million and I say common $500,000 kwa me da me na ti de me cho no emre bi me Bugatti baako ene me Rolls Royce baako eko car service center nche se me ko change engine oil and omu delay me keke no 2 weeks because omu na me ko e no omu part say part ni ni waje so omu order even though say we BMW or Benz we gufie o all the different types o but baako maaye no baako akoka ho ensa maaye no me da me na nti manji si wakotam boy we ni Rolls Royce ni Lamborghini o de akasa o mantamu wakotam afiri ni fie o enti kanu kura no big drama a chance say me send ya betu social media na Stone Boy fans fu anya no Stone Boy fans no muntie me yemu wakom na Stone Boy na akura no ono so ka otimi ni nyina stolen cars enti sometimes no mo ma ade ne mass public na fe mo no mo expose boy no na mo be yesa ma boy no afe kura de na pressure na koku no Shatawale gina we onya akura o 60 years to say Lumba mo Lumba started hitting 80s. Shatawale started hitting 90s. And the different margin here kitu abi oyo lumai. Shatawale mo ni age group ni dada kedi ni Lumba mo. Se oni ma oba as bandana otu wono 60 years. Enti obetimi awu enti munya ise mo yede mo be ya anu anya heart attack. So enti mesramo mususu nto pressure ma ye creative art industry me Ghana ni bia maka kire omomunim dada se Ghana cars amode show off ni nyina stolen cars including as omom from West California ni omo ne kapre cars ni nyina ayi nkofo car no ma wiwi ade abro mo Ghana medical car kire omo won enti se mo chiche cars na minim se alatafo na adwoma ma de gimi di omo begu ono omo ka ho bi na cars no mo wi am oba Ghana no enti se FBI for na betena Ghana no omo kire omo a Mislamu, when involved with somebody, all followers, all fans, they say, Wally, ne Ebiasa, Quadi, Stone Boy, Moo, the one Bessia handle case, no. Yes, I way no Shatawale, Dimatem, and the fans of Wood Neighbor Jamo. Obviously, Shatawale, 48, and a football age, Jimmy. And a football age, Monsieur, sister, yes, Jimeno. Na me t-shirt tawle wale nka bandana from Ghana na me gina P2 ha me di na ni sanyo me di awade na me na me wo fie say ofui di ma dream me 30 years enti fan say me wo P2 na me di 20 years kra na we university na banana si obo onyum no 20 years ofui na me we school kra bro 15 years okika bo ma eburu be 60 years omunya nkra Daddy Lumba cry and you hit the onion. Oh no, Daddy Lumba now 60 years no cry football age. And to make kind of crash, they'll say, Omoba broach titi age in so. Young cry. Shatawale on them way in a sika when you're so the name in a chum, so who's a papa no any. And Timusu soon top pressure, my boy, no. Me penasem at least or trying the best, so baby. Me Ghana ni bia what on your kwadwofo a wode ne say ye bibi no I really do admire them. So on ya me che no enti jo mama kwasi ampanyini ma me mra won so